Start your makeup journey with me in this Makeup Made Easy series. If you have zero knowledge or struggling with makeup, this is the series for you. For episode 1, we will list down everything that you have. It is important to have an inventory of what you have and what you don't have. Do not purchase anything. If you don't have any makeup yet, watch and learn first before deciding which to prioritize. First, we'll have 8 categories of the product, tools, and other makeups that you have. We'll start with A, skincare. For skincare category, we'll have facial wash, micellar water, toner, eye cream, moisturizer, sunscreen, and lip moisturizer. The second category is cream or liquid makeup. We have primer, color corrector, concealer, foundation, skin tint or cushion, blush, highlighter, contour, bronzer, and setting or finishing spray. The third category is powder makeup. We have setting or finishing powder or powder foundation, blush, highlighter, contour, and bronzer. The fourth category is eye makeup. We have eye primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, false lashes, eyelash glue, eyelid tape, and contacts. Fifth category is eyebrow makeup. We have eyebrow gel and eyebrow pen, pencil, or powder. Next, or sixth category is lip makeup. We have lip liner, colored lip product, and gloss or shimmer. The seventh category is tools. We have brush, sponge, puff, lash curler, palette, cotton, Q-tip, tweezer, makeup scissor, and shaver. And the eighth category is aftercare. This includes brush cleaner and everything from skincare, which are wash, micellar water, toner, eye cream, and moisturizer. Be honest, do you have more than 3 lippies, 3 blushes? I know most of us will be guilty, but that's okay. For now, choose your top one if you have multiple products per item. And let's focus on that. Once you've selected all your makeup, put everything in one container as you'll need them in this journey with me. If you already have a working skincare routine, stick with it. Doing inventory is important because you'll realize you have 5 lippies, 5 blushes, but you don't have setting spray or you don't have contour. But do not buy anything. If you have powder foundation and lipstick, go with that and do your makeup daily first. But if you have budget, then go. Or you can wait till episode 4 so that you'll be guided on which to prioritize. We created an inventory so that you will be guided in the succeeding episodes. You don't need to complete the list. Save this video so you can go back to this once you're ready to list all your makeup products. And follow so you'll get notified once succeeding episodes are uploaded.